Are you tired of coming home to a dirty house? In a world where time is a precious commodity, there's a service that takes care of your cleaning needs. Imagine coming home to a spotless space, your sanctuary, cleaned by professional hands. Time for You Cleaning Dorset is here to transform your living area into a relaxing haven. We understand the value of your time and energy. Our team of the finest vetted professional cleaners are ready to sweep away your worries. Whether you're a busy professional or enjoying your golden years, we cater to your specific requirements. The pain of an untidy home can be overwhelming, but with our dedicated service, you can leave the mess to us. We focus on every detail, leaving you with a pristine home that you can be proud of. Feel the joy of a clean home without lifting a finger. Time for You Cleaning Dorset, where quality meets trust. Don't wait, book now. Enjoy the peace of mind that a clean home brings. After all, a clean home is a happy home.